How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And let me quickly demonstrate to you guys how you can use Cyberghost to watch US Netflix. So Sync 2 is only available in the United States and South Korea, which explains why I can't find it right here. So I'll go ahead and use by the way, you can just look up, let's say you're looking to unblock Amazon. It'll give you all the Amazon Prime dedicated servers. And if you look up Netflix in this case, you'll be able to find all of the Netflix libraries or Netflix dedicated servers that work with Netflix. So in this case, we're looking for US Netflix, and Cyberghost does a very good job at unblocking Netflix. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. If Sync 2 shows up, it'll mean that I do have access to the American Netflix library. And of course, there's a 45-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to try it out yourself, you have 45 days to try it out risk-free. So now that I'm connected to Cyberghost's US library or US server, I'll go ahead and refresh and see what happens here. Sync 2 should show up, and that'll be my indication that I do have access to the Netflix library, particularly the American Netflix library, and any show that's only available in the States will be available to me as if I'm in the United States myself. If you'd like to learn more about Cyberghost privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, so that you get more of a good or better idea of what you're getting yourself into before you get Cyberghost. Either way, there's a 45-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive it to your heart's content again. But if you want to learn more about it before you go to purchase it, you'll find the full review down below. And if you're interested in getting that subscription, you'll find a special discount in the description down below. So feel free to take advantage of that while it lasts. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.